why VCF to CSV is important. Managing contacts effectively is crucial in both personal and professional life. However, as our contacts grow, organizing them across different platforms and formats can become a challenge. vCard, VCF, files are commonly used for storing contact information, but they're not always the easiest to work with when you need to manipulate or manage large numbers of contacts. That's where the Softaken VCF to CSV Converter comes in. This powerful tool helps you convert your vCard files into CSV format, making it easier to organize, update, and transfer your contacts across different platforms like Excel or Google Sheets. Let's get started. The first step is to launch the Softaken VCF to CSV Converter on your computer. Once the software is open, you will be presented with a simple and easy-to-use interface. Click on the Select VCF Files option to choose the folder or individual VCF files you want to convert. User Interface, Preview Contacts. After selecting your VCF files, the software will display a preview of all your contacts, allowing you to view them in either horizontal or vertical formats for better clarity. With the preview, you can quickly check the information in your VCF file to ensure everything looks good before exporting. Now it's time to export your contacts. Click on the Export button to begin the process of converting your vCard contacts into a CSV file. Before exporting, you can also choose to uncheck the option that removes empty columns if you want to keep all the data. Next, you'll need to choose the location where you want to save your new CSV file. Simply click the Browse button and navigate to your desired folder. Here, you can also rename the CSV file before saving it, ensuring your file is easily identifiable for future use. Once you're ready, simply click on the Convert Now button to start the conversion process. Softaken VCF to CSV Converter will now process your contacts and convert them into a CSV format, which can then be opened with programs like Excel or Google Sheets. And that's it. Your VCF contacts have been successfully converted into a CSV file. Thank you for choosing Softaken VCF to CSV Converter. With just a few simple steps, you can effortlessly convert your VCF contacts in a CSV format,